In this video, we'll begin our discussion on how to create assignments. We'll start by defining what assignment types are, then go over how to create them, and finally look at how to customize assignment types to fit your school's unique needs. When you first start using GradeLink, you might be tempted to jump right in and start creating and grading assignments. However, before you can create assignments, you need to set up what GradeLink calls assignment types. Assignment types are simply categories, such as homework or tests. Additionally, assignment types also comprise a specific percentage of the overall class grade. To add an assignment type, start by heading over to the Assignment Types tab. If you don't see the Assignment Types tab, you may have to click on the Gradesheet tab first to make it appear. Creating an assignment type requires two pieces of information: an assignment type title and a weight percentage. Let's name our first assignment type Homework and give it a weight of 50%. To complete the process, hit Add Type. Teachers should take note of the blue text on the left. GradeLink is letting you know that 50% of the class weight still needs to be assigned. This is because the total weight of your assignment types must always add up to 100%. Let's add two more assignment types: projects and tests, both worth 25%. Before we move on, it's important to note that there is no requirement in GradeLink that teachers create multiple assignment types. In fact, some teachers choose to just create a single assignment type worth 100% of the class weight. Further down the page, there are several settings that allow teachers to customize how their assignment types behave. Make this type extra credit allows you to create extra credit assignment types. More specifically, it allows you to continue adding assignment types even if you've already assigned 100% of the class weight. Let's add an extra credit assignment type called Pop Quizzes, worth 4%. When we hit Add Type, Pop Quizzes will appear in blue on the right. By default, GradeLink weights every assignment within an assignment type equally. If the homework category is worth 50% and you have 5 homework assignments, each assignment will be worth 10%. Drop the lowest grade in this type and weight each assignment based on their points both create exceptions to this rule, so let's look at them in more detail. Drop the lowest grade in this type tells GradeLink to automatically drop the assignment with the lowest grade for each student for a particular assignment type. However, because all assignments still need to add up to the appropriate weight, when Drop the lowest grade in this type is active, GradeLink automatically adjusts the percentages for all remaining assignments. For example, 5 assignments worth 10% become 4 assignments worth 12.5% after the assignment with the lowest grade is dropped. Also keep in mind that this only applies to individual assignment types. In other words, if you wanted to drop both the lowest test score and the lowest homework assignment, you would need to enable it for both assignment types. Weight each assignment based on their points tells GradeLink to dynamically adjust how much each assignment is worth based on the total number of available points. This setting is used when teachers have assignments with the same type that are not worth the same amount of points. For example, one assignment could have been graded out of 10 points, while another could have been graded out of 40 points. By default, these assignments would each be worth 50% of the assignment type weight. Weight each assignment based on their points would automatically adjust the assignment weights so that the first assignment would only be worth 20%, while the second would be worth 80%. GradeLink automatically deactivates the Drop Lowest Grade option when you choose to weigh assignment types based on points. And if you enable Drop Lowest Grade, you won't be able to weigh assignment types based on points. This is because if both settings were active at the same time, there could be situations where students in the same class were receiving grades based off of a different amount of points. There's one last option to be aware of: automatically weigh assignment types by points. In the same way that weigh each assignment based on their points dynamically adjusts the relative weight of each assignment, the option automatically weigh assignment types by points adjusts the relative weight of each assignment type. Editing assignment types is easy. Simply click on the assignment type, and the fields on the left will fill in with its information. Make your changes and hit Submit. To delete an assignment type, simply click on it and select Delete Type. GradeLink won't let you delete an assignment type if there are assignments using it to prevent accidental deletion of assignments and grade data. If you absolutely need to delete an assignment type, you'll either need to delete the individual assignments or reassign them to a different assignment type. There may be times when red text appears telling you that making changes to assignment types has been disabled. There are two cases where this can happen. The first would be if you're trying to change assignment types for a previous term. The second would be if your school's administrator has manually disabled making changes to the assignment types. This wraps up our discussion on assignment types. Join us for our next video where we go over how to create assignments.